CAA triad I have explained. CAA is also known as CAA triad. So there are essential components like confidentiality, integrity, and we are having 3 types, and availability. It provides vital security features. It helps in avoiding compliance issues, ensures business continuity, and prevents reputational damage to the organization. So these are the types of attacks like malware, phishing, SQL injection, domain name service spoofing, backdoors, and form jacking, insider threat, zero-day exploit, drive-by download, and eavesdropping attack. These are the top 10 cyber attacks. Now I would like to classify which attack comes under malware, which attack comes under phishing. So I'm going to classify the data. Before going to practical implementation, see what are the challenges so far. Being a faculty, being a technical member, you need to know the challenges so that you can do the research and make the papers for publication. So one of the research challenge like complexity and diversity of threats. See, nowadays huge volume of data is there. Definitely you can expect huge cyber security issues. Those are the complexity and the diversity of threats. Then integration of security measures. So in order to integrate one or two applications and security measures work together seamlessly and effectively is a major challenge in cyber security research. Scalability means users are increasing, automatically our data also increases. That's why data center also increases. The size of the data center also increases because of scalability. Scalability is one of the research challenge in cyber security. Then usability. It is also one of the cyber security measure need to be user friendly, as users are often the weakest link in the security chain. Yes, if you tell something secret to your friend, don't tell to anybody means definitely he will tell to his friends. That is one of the major issue in usability of cyber security issues. Then privacy concern, standardization, encryption, artificial intelligence and machine learning, global cooperation. These all are research challenges of cyber security. So that's why in the year 2022, top 10 cyber security challenges like ransomware attacks, disinformation drives, and supply chain disruption, and malware attacks via smartphones, vulnerable IoT devices, ransomware attacks, attacks on remote work environments, cryptocurrency and digital asset theft. These are the challenges. Now these are the future of cyber security. So what is going to do next? Future of cyber security. See, this is very emerging field because everywhere data is there. There is a cyber security issue is there. That's why we are using a latest future cyber security trends that are likely to shape the future of cyber security by using artificial intelligence tools and techniques, machine learning tools and techniques, cloud security issues tools and techniques, Internet of Security, IoT, Internet of Things security, blockchain, quantum computing, human-centric cyber security we are using. So these are the future of scope of cyber security, like critical infrastructure security, network security, cloud security, application system security, user security, Internet of Things security. So these are the libraries we need to install. So my dear participants, please open your system. I am going to install packages like NLTK, NumPy, Panda, Scikit-learn, Nmap, Twisted, Scapy, Beautiful Soap, and cryptography library, Yara, and PyMetasploit 3, Mechanize, Socket, and Request. These are the 14 libraries I am going to install now. And these are the famous algorithms of cyber security algorithms. The first one is RSA algorithm. It is widely used public key cryptography algorithm for secure data transmission and encryption. I am going to demonstrate right now RSA algorithm. Then AES algorithm, advanced encryption security algorithm. So it is a symmetric encryption algorithm used to protect sensitive data. Then SHA algorithm, a hash algorithm that generates a unique fingerprint for data integrity verification. Diffie-Hellman algorithm, a key exchange algorithm that allows two parties to securely establish a shared request, a shared secret key over an insecure communication channel. So then DDoS mitigation algorithm, and it is a variety of technique used to detect and mitigate a distributed denial of service algorithm. Then intrusion detection system IDS algorithm. It is used to identify and respond to security threats and intrusions in real time. Machine learning algorithms for security. It is used to detect and prevent various security attacks, including malware and phishing attacks. Then firewalls algorithm. Algorithms are used to filter network traffic and block unauthorized access to a computer system. SNOT algorithm, very popular algorithm. It is an open source network intrusion detection system, NIDS algorithm, that detects and alerts network administrators about possible attacks. Then SSL and TLS algorithms. It is encryption algorithms used to secure internet communications, including web traffic and email transmission.